I've probably discovered gardening as a child because I've always been interested in natural history. So I really found that I could benefit from just being outside. More so than just enjoying it, I found it completely changed my state. We're part of the emergency services, so us along with the police and ambulance, and sometimes sadly some of the members of the public, they experience and witness things they'd rather not witness and deal with. So if someone's lost their life, and that's something I never ever forget. So I don't forget any element of it. So and it's something quite profound to carry with you. And I know we're not unique in that. A lot of doctors and nurses, and as I said, members of the public, police and ambulance, they all do that sort of role, and you're exposed to that. I had a full mental breakdown in 2012, and it's something I really struggled with, really seriously struggled with, and as such survived, if you will, to tell the tale. By actually gardening, it doesn't make it easy, but to have a space like this smooths it. It's, if you will, like a little oasis. This garden matters especially to me is because it might sound crass, but this is like a second family to me. And the guys I work with, and I mean male and female, and for them to have somewhere, and myself, to come and sit in and appreciate and enjoy means the world to me. I'm able to create a little living environment, if you will, where you get beautiful things like this tree growing, but you give it a chance, and with that all the sort of living creatures which live amongst it, and to me that's nothing but a win, really. It's pretty cool.